Essex Boss Productions presents at Jamaican Movie Double Life Episode 2 starring Sister Petros Josiah, Essex Boss's Jeremia.
What are we a she bride? Galang like I say you and I there. You come and get upset, you know?
Yes, they not forget upset, you know.
Oh, you mean to me not forget upset? You know she said that the girl live right.
Yes, they not forget upset, man. Remember say me and you are the favor, you know. Me no want no other woman, no babes.
That's the reason why. Me should have argue with her and discipline her. You know say as from today me have a plan though. You know say as from today. Me want you to carry me go foreign with you so me can meet the girl. So me can make it girl. Oh, you mean say you can't carry me?
You can't carry go foreign like that.
Me want go so me can meet the girl so me make she know say I'm me a wife round here. You hear what me say?
Yes, they not have to do that. Your wife already babes. They don't need to lower yourself to fear stuff.
Oh, you mean say me not feel lower myself when wife don't show me any material? A problem. So me have to show her say it's me his wife cause I look like I say she want you, you're blind. Eh?
Yes, she no want me babe. That just
Oh, you mean say she no want you and they tell me about she a wife or no married for years? That girl they want me discipline her. That me I tell you.
Babes, that just so she stay, babes. No PR no mind.
No tell me that.
Just to make that, don't put that for your head, babes.
Let me tell you something, me there they watch you know. Me tell you say the pitney piss up the whole place and piss up all the mattress. Everything piss up. Me no hear you say nothing about it, you know.
Alright, come babes, we could go down and go sun the mattress.
What you did say? Son which mattress? So why you dey try tell me say? Me fi go lie down in the piss up bed after you sunny and the rankness turn up in a me nose. And that me fi sleep on. Oh you bright so?
Babes, you go put little bleach pan and forget out the
Lad!
babes.
Look
Oh,
here.
yeah, babes,
It
so-
look like you lick your head. You're mad.
Oh, make your
Listen
babes
to
so
me.
babes.
You dey go give me the money while you make over foreign. Cause look here, don't a quart me dey go buy one pasta pedic. And me want one big old bed. And that me dey tell you one king size. Cause that they want a queen. And you dey come tell me about sunbed. You diss me. After you breed me, you diss me. Me no deserve big king size bed.
Yes, but you deserve it. But remember, say baby soon get bigger. We have to put on money for she go school in a
yeah, me no say no, but yeah, you know me want live comfortable. Lie you a tell. You carry me good on a court. Yeah, you want me say, Uncle ya, how me figure fi tell you say the machine broke down. Look ya, the machine broke down. Cause when me they throw this thing them in a hit me on go here vuk and it tap work. So here you know, me want one washing machine
me
too.
call my friend we fix them thing. They
Lord,
fix it something.
Lord,
bother with
and
them
this you
something,
dey diss me boy. You diss me. Call friend fi fix one. Me want one Black Panther machine. You hear what me say? Me see them they advertise it and that me want. So listen to me.
Work no whole heap of money, you know.
What you dey tell me that for? Listen to me. Me no want hear that cause when you went call look me you when they give me money. So now that me want things, me no want hear that from you. Why you dey do your face so far? Why you dey do your face so far? Eh? You make sure the whole of the money down there they wait for me. You want me say? Why you so what? I thought me they talk to you. I thought me they talk.
Yes, because me say me a come home concern the mattress and you come tell me boy you want pasta.
But you dey Jesus Christ, you disrespect me, bossy. You disrespect me. You give me a youth and you can't buy pasta pedic. Give me. I don't of course it to where we are go when we go down. You hear what me say? So why you hang down your face so far?
Come there.
Oh, you ugly face too now. But you want give me piece up mattress for lie down pan. What are we you bright? Eh? How you bright so? Look how England punchang. Eh? And you they can't tell me about say you can't buy me this and that what me want. Look you no ramp with me you know.
But on every day I work, babes, and
Who
every day I work, you know.
At I'm in a business if every day you work. The point is you go work so you expect say when you come back me I go want same thing. And
You know say I wanna make man thief do.
who make your thief? Me send you go thief or I work you go work. So now you come back with the money. All I want me want you to go buy. Yeah, you want me say me in an argument with you, you know. And by the way, how me can see the suitcase them?
It's something in our house, babes.
You better make sure. So why
I
you
am
clean up
also
your place?
grabalicious, man.
Grabalicious what? So you don't know say me hungry. Me and the pitney out there hungry, so we have to secure what we want before we catch in at the house. As simple as that. You don't know say the pitney tell me say he want to go up a foreign with you too. Who this a ugly man, yeah, man? You put on the pitney. So tell me something what the suitcase there, what the thing them what you buy for me. This I am. Me think I want to feel.
Can you manage it?
No, sir, heavy brother, heavy put it on the bed. Lord God, enough something in it. Take your time, man. Strain yourself. Fix it good. Lord God, look like
I seen them up here, so, and baby and your stuff them then a big part, but me pack some up here, so.
You put listen to it, but it look like I ram this a suitcase, this a chip here, me man. That's why me love you, sir, you know. Watch ya, queer. Attacking this I buy for me, me can't wear it go to church.
You know if it can't fit you, you know what me.
It will fit me, you don't worry yourself, it will fit me, man. From me see it, me know say it fit me. And it look good too, you know.
The other one where they have tears.
I me wonder where he got church still, you know. But this a one I me love this a color door, pretty man. I want passing thing you buy, man. What else in? Kuya, this a color you pretty. Kuya, me can't wear this. I gotta clean it next week with the bikini.
And some stuff in there, stuff you baby too, you know.
Yes, man.
Match, we buy them match here.
So the picnic go and wear the same thing one in the mother wear.
Like this is
Lord God, dress like we are twin. We are most a Siamese twin. I want to
get a call, you know.
Oh, you mean say they get a call? Me no hear the phone ring or who they call you.
A vibrate is there.
So why you put it on vibrate for?
Just treat baby asleep.
So when me the picnic wake up, me we buy him back to bed. No put your phone on vibrate again. How would they panic?
I boss a call me babes. It look like a important.
Alright, answer that. Put it on speaker because a long time you want to chat to your boss. Put it on speaker. What make?
Because at the boss and suppose I something private.
So you know, hear me say me want to chat to him. Answer phone and put it on speaker. Me talk to the boss. As simple as that. Because me want to say something to him. Because me not understand how he take you away. Few much week I expect me and the picking if it turn by himself.
And next time me make you talk to him, just go and pack out the thing them till me come, man.
Alright, go down where they go. Kuyoto. Me say no easy, no. So what me want to talk to the boss. Me love this I do that something here. Oh, I can't wear over this I. I must that him buy if I look good though. I want thing with for me, man. He can't shopping. Oh, you don't call me when you go work. Normally you don't call me. This looks strange.
Nothing no strange, man, babes. I just through me busy, man. Me never get the chance to call you. Hear what? Me now come in tonight, you know.
Errol, what you mean by you now come home? And you make me go shop in the rain? The rain a pour like crazy. And you tell me about you now come home. You're not easy. Me buy food to cook for you. Listen, me don't play with me.
Me never think you'd wait until me call you before you go shop, babes. Oh yeah, say no rain, no day which part me there now. Hurry up and come out of rain, man, because me know why you get sick, you know.
By the way, let me talk to the boss about what me I talk about, but what on the after what we want to so we can spend some time together.
Only me just done ask him about the day off them, you know. But he must say just through the Christmas season. Even no think say me can get the day off them. You understand? Yo, them thing you make me all get all upset, you know, honey. You understand? Because I well want to spend some time with you, you know. Babes, here what? Me have to go call you back later, you know, because it look like I'm out to go drive out, you know. You understand? I don't want to leave me, so me call you, yeah? Yo, me tired of them double life, you know. Them thing you have me a way no star. And if I lie with me I tell, man, me can't bother with them type of thing, you know. True.
This is strange. Errol, I can't wait from what they are. I mean, I have to get to the bottom of this. You can't rain up from me and talk to my husband and he ain't up for me. No, man, it's strange. Kuya, what is that? Watch ya? Watch ya? All African clothes he buy for me. Me can't wear this. I got church, man. Cause me so much hot girl at church. So now when they see me in this, know they can't go believe say me this. Why me they tell them me can't let go of this man here, you know? Me say the man just good to me, brother. Me glad for me, you know? Brother, me glad for me, man. Who you want next one? Watch ya. This one you make me don't look like a lady. Look on it too now, man. Who you come back?
Yeah, just come
So,
talk to your boss.
how are your boss say now? How are your boss say?
About work, yeah, babes.
What about work now? You want to take you every 2 weeks again?
No, babes. I tell him, say, yo, me can't come now this week, you know. I want to spend some time with you and the baby, you know.
Ah, you have sense because you this day come back, so I make you that one go out so quick.
Yes, me get tired of work right now.
Me
Me
know
need
what?
some time with you, you know.
And then me they say to why you not let that they work and find one next one where you can't
That
stand.
if you do.
And that you fi do so you can spend the whole time with me and you picking it.
You know what go on when we decide, right?
Eh.
You see, as soon as me get a different work,
Eh.
me go left the work there.
And turn with me fi
What
good.
you mean, so at least me can there with you know?
And you can't grow the picking if you not see how them a picking it and now.
Yes.
Me want you
She need
grow
her father
in our life. That's true.
Understand what I'm saying?
So what making them make me chat to the man cause me when want in case they go next week or week after next me when want me and me picnic go with you, you know.
Babes are just too in kind of upset you know, you understand? Because
So what?
work have him away, babes.
Work have him away.
Christmas season coming, it have him away, so next time when him call again, me promise you, me make it happen.
I hope so, you know. And
Yeah,
take your phone off a speaker cause me off a vibrate, me not like it. And when you're there around me, you're supposed to put your phone on speaker so me can hear what the chat say. If every chat foolishness, me can answer him. Cause any other girl they call again, you will see sitting. Oh.
Take it off a vibrate.
Eh.
When it call, you can answer it when it call, yeah?
Yes, and that you fi do long time, cause you see if that the secretary they call again. You see what me do
She
to
not
her.
call back, babe.
She not call back.
No, sir.
You tell the boss about him when I went out the door.
Yeah, me block her too. So she not get no, she not call, not come in. Me block her.
Because I walk she there gonna like I say you and her there.
Right, me I say, me block her.
Me say me love this eye, you see.
Right, me I say you must love it. When me see it in a bed, you just catch me eye, you know.
It catch your eye and it favor me too, you know.
Boy.
Look how I look good.
Yeah,
Look
go
how I
look
look good
sexy in
for
this,
me.
you know.
I hat me they go look at and me they wear it go church, you know. Because me see everybody up at church they wear be African now and me then have none.
So you
me
say you love them?
Oh, you mean if me love it? Me still no more in a so me not in the point of the back that the part the file it too much. Me comfortable with what me get. Kuya! My God, this a look good here, man. You just know the right thing for buy for your girl, you know. And that me love you, Yana.
True,
That's
no.
why me not want nobody come between we.
Nobody can come between.
Come between one.
But you're not easy.
You want me tear them up?
And the two away forever and ever.
How that you know? And me glad say you know that, you know.
What you mean?
Oh, me no want no girl around themselves with me. That's why me very upset with that secretary there. That's why me want go foreign go deal with our case. But anyway, me no want you to forget about what we plan still, you know. See there, the teddy bear, them, and the piece catch them too. You understand me? So, when they pick me wake up, me want me and you go deal with what we have to deal with. You understand me? Business.
Again, babes.
Oh, you mean say what that you know remember? Say we dey go down to go buy one bed for we can sleep on this at tonight for if you smelly rank. You understand me? So after you get that out of the way, we know nothing more for you buy. Cause remember say you buy everything new. You understand me? So you not have to look so long, look so sad.
So babes, here what we go on then.
Eh.
You insist, right?
Yes.
I'm going to take out one. I'm going to trust one.
Me I hear you still, but me no in that one day. Me no in
I'm
no
going to trust
trust.
one and when time I get pay again, I just pay for it. You understand? I'm going to pay down on it so at least you can get it in the week.
To
So
be-
when I get pay now, we finish pay for it. What you say about
Well,
that?
look here.
Because I don't want to spend the whole life money
Yeah.
on that and
On
then
that
pay it.
alone.
And now when me gone again, another problem. I better
Oh,
leave
me
the money with you.
understand. Well, tell you what. The money where you don't take pay penny, give me make me hold on penny because listen me, if you pay penny, you don't pay double price. So here you know. What me don't do, I hold on penny money so when you get the next paycheck, we just buy them cash. What you think about that? What you think about that?
Alright, babe.
Yeah, so every minute me hear talk about business, you hang down your face like when brother dog begs. Why you hang down your face for because we the chat business? Eh?
Nothing, babe.
Okay. Well, me just glad say you're there, you know? And me love you, yeah? And
Love you too, babe.
we appreciate everything what you do for you. Every minute you go foreign, you just come back with something brand new.
Yeah.
Look, you know? Me and you forever.
And ever.
And ever.
And ever.
And ever.
Sitting by the river, oh, a sin in nature. Sister Petra alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking at trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking at trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting.
Too much cussing from those noisy neighbor. I wanna take away myself and focus on nature. I like to sit and watch the ants them